Hey guys, warm welcome to all of you. I hope all you good. So in thumbnail you already seen, I will teach you a Macramé dream catcher. Not Macramé dream catcher, it's a crochet Macramé dream catcher. It's a very long name. So that crochet I didn't make because I don't know crochet or crochet, whatever you say. I ordered it. If you also want, I will mention the link in description box from where I ordered it. But in future I also wanted to learn it. So I am going to show you my Evileye. This is. So I am going to teach you a macrame work. I already made 2 Evileye Dreamcatcher, but this time I am going to create more macrame work in this ring. So this is a 9.5 inch ring and the crochet was 8 inches because when we fix it in the ring, it stretched. So if both will be the same size, it will be a very loose and it will not looking good. So if you are taking a 10 inch ring or 9.5 inch ring, then the crochet work would be 8 inch or 7.5 inch. So it's at least the 2 inch and 2.5 inch should be the difference. So I already fixed it. This was the metal ring. I wrapped it with the white cord. This is a twisted 3 mm cord. You can wrap any cord, whatever you have. If you have a braided one or single strand, whatever you have, you can just wrap it around the ring. And if you have a wooden ring, then no need of wrapping it. You just tie the crochet. Okay, so just I am going to hang it somewhere and I will start working on it. So I hanged it. I am going to use white, blue and the black one. These 3 colors also in my crochet work. So first I will take a 4 cords of blue color, 3 meters each. So I will cut 3 meter each, 4 cords. I will mention all the measurements in the description box. You will check it out. So I have cut 4 cords, 3 meter each. So take a first cord, half, and use lark head knot. So I will use it here in the center part. In this part I will use lark head knot, all 4 cords. So for making the lark head knot, you just have to insert. First I will insert here and here. Insert and pull out from the back side. So I have inserted in the center part of the crochet and you can see the edges. So I will make a small knot so that it will not open like that. Now we will create a design with the help of double hitch knot. We have a total 4 cords. We will divide in a 2 parts. But first we will start with the left hand side. So you have to take this cord. This cord is a main cord and we have to make double hitch knot with these 4 cords. If you know the basic knots, then you can easily create it. So in this side, now this is our main cord. Now we have to divide in a half section, and this time this is our main cord for this side, and for this side this is our main cord, and we have to make a slant. First knot will be tight, second little bit loose, and the third one more loose. So you can see this pattern. We have to create same this size. Now again you have to do the same thing. So with the last one you have to make knots like that. So this is our main cord. So now we have to join. So our pattern is ready. We have to make a same pattern 4 times more. So you just have to continue. Now take a 1 meter cord and hang it here. Now take a 117 centimeter cord and tie it here. Now take a 354 centimeter cord and insert it here. So now this is the center part of cord. Now we will make a spiral knot, and I will start with the right side. you have to do it again, right side, right. You have to continue right side, and this side we will do on the left side. And one tip, for example, if you are not able to do with this side because it is twisted here, then after doing 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 7, you can roll it here and again do 7 knots. 1 7. So now again twist it like that and start again 7 knots. Follow the same procedure both side, and we have to make a spiral knot at least till here, both side. So after making spiral knots, I have inserted 2 cords here, 2 cords here, black and white. Each cord is 1 meter length. Now I have inserted 3 cords, 1.5 meter each. Now we will use double hitch knot in a slanting way. Now we have to do the same with 2 times more. Now this is our main cord. So after these 3, leave some gap and do it again, and do the same thing in the 3rd time also. So after making this design, I have just inserted the cords, blue one and the white one. Color choice is totally yours. This is 1 meter each, and both sides will be the same. So just the basic knot we have to do in the bottom part so that edges will be secure. So my Evileye Dreamcatcher is ready. You can see it. This is a Macramé Dreamcatcher. So I have created here 3 patterns, 1, 2 and 3. So you can change the pattern whatever design you like it. For example, this pattern. So you can make this pattern here also. Otherwise you can make a diamond pattern. Diamond pattern is also looking very nice. So if you are feeling this gap is not looking good, so you can change it. It's totally your choice. Or you can make this pattern only the square knots, so it will also look good. This is an experimental thing. You can create so many experimental design and the colors. So I would like to choose the matching colors so that it's my choice. Otherwise nowadays I have seen so many colors in one dream catcher, every color in one dream catcher. It's totally your choice. You are looking for the colorful macrames or the neutral one or the medium one. So I like to do little bit matching colors. That's why I used it. But somehow I wanted to say कि I also feel कि if I create here the diamond pattern, it will look more good. So I was thinking to change it. I hope you like this tutorial, and I will mention the link from where you can purchase these dollies. You can customize the dollies. It is for India only right now, but you can ask in the DM कि they will able to do the worldwide or not. But presently she is doing in India only, and I love her work. So I hope you like it. Goodbye, take care, bye bye.